Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting in Windows 10 or 11. Alright, so first off, head over to the Wi-Fi symbol or the internet connection symbol here at the bottom of your screen. I'm doing this on the Windows 10. So once you pop this open, you can simply see that your Wi-Fi is not connected. It's showing secured but not connected. That means no internet. So how can you fix this? The first step would be to um, click on properties. Let's say maybe your settings is at fault. Maybe a simple setting in your device is at fault. So things like connecting automatically when in range, network profile, random hardware address, if it's set as a metered connection, maybe if the IP and other stuff are not good enough, then you can simply switch them on or off. Now, a simple fix for this would be to disconnect from the network entirely. So you could just go ahead and simply disconnect, and then hopefully it restores itself without you even bothering. But in most cases, you would have to head over to your device and disconnect your Wi-Fi or your router. That's if you're making use of any of those services, you could simply disconnect it. Now, another cool thing or another thing that people don't really notice is if you're coming to the end of your Wi-Fi subscription or something, sometimes your internet might have issues. That's why you have things like your Wi-Fi not connecting, and even if it connects, it would disconnect on its own automatically. That's because your device does not register the network properly. So all you need to do is just simply try and connect back, check your data or your Wi-Fi plan if it's still active, and also check the battery if you're using a battery for your router, if the battery is secure and working. And most times it could even be a hardware issue from your computer. Maybe the Wi-Fi drivers are bad, or maybe there's like a physical issue with the Wi-Fi bar or whatever is responsible for bringing in Wi-Fi signals. You could check it out and make sure it's working. But on my computer, it says no internet here. So fixing this is just a simple disconnect or checking with your service provider. Alright guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Also, leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this. Thank you.